the celebration of my subscribers, and it is a milestone for me. And it is good to watch this video till the end because you might miss your name. I want you to know that your name was shouted and that you are the winner of my channel, because I'm going to be shouting out on 15 names that I have chosen. These are just chosen, but it is not really a real representation because a lot of people have been left out, because I have to make this video short, because if it's not short I might not be able to upload it to YouTube. To say thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. You are the reason I do this content, and today I had to wear my grandma goggles. Hello everyone, welcome to Consistence Place channel. My name is Consistence, and today, guess what? Over 300 subscribers. I'm so excited. Before I started YouTube, I was wondering, what if nobody is interested in my content? And I'm somebody that many people have inspired, and I feel like if I share my idea out there, I will also inspire at least one person. And guess what? When I put out my content out there, I found out that I had a lot of people who were interested in this content, and a lot of people are active in this channel. So today I have decided to come out with at least 15, which was not even easy. I wanted to do 10 so that the video is not too long, but I've tried to come out with 10. It was so hard, so I've tried to come out with 15, but I still have some names that I've left out. So today I'm out to celebrate my over 300, because the list is growing. Each time I check, people are subscribing, so the list is growing, and I don't want to give a number now, because if I give a number it's going to be a different number. But I know it's over 300. Last time I checked it was 323. So I'm out to celebrate these over 300 people, and to give shout out to the 15 of those who are active, and tell them to keep on, stay tuned for more content. So number one person is my channel. Guess who? Diana Benlove. Diana Benlove, shout out to you, shout out to you, shout out to you. She lives in Canada and she follows my recipes. Diana Benlove has even cooked. I tried out my recipes, a couple of my recipes, and sent me the videos, and she did fantastic. Shout out to you, Diana Benlove, and thank you for supporting. Thank you for being inspired by my channel, and stay tuned for more content. The second person on this list is Rita's Balm. Rita's Balm is a supporter of this channel. In fact, she has taken my channel so personal. She's promoting the channel, sharing it all over the place. You go to her Facebook home, she's sharing my channel. Thank you so much, Rita's Balm. Rita's Balm is a musician, and the title of her music album is she and her sister is Devoted Sisters for Christ. I'll put the picture of her home somewhere. She has amazing gospel music. Check this out, guys. Of Rita's Balm and her sister's music. Go to her channel, guys. Check her out at Devoted Sisters for Christ, and you enjoy quality gospel music of the time. The person in this channel is Jay Perry. Jay Perry is a YouTuber. Jay Perry is a supporter. This bro supports me on Facebook, supports my channel. Before I release a content, he's already there sharing it and publishing me. Thank you so much, Jay Perry. Jay Perry is a YouTuber, and Jay Perry is he's also somebody that promotes collaboration between African Americans and Africans. He wants them to live as one because of cultural difference. I actually enjoyed one of his videos that he was trying to integrate African Americans and Africans as one, which was so great, bro. Kudos for that. I like you for that. Is Rejoice Screen. Rejoice Screen. She is a Nigerian lady. She lives in Nigeria. She's a YouTuber. She has updates, news from Nigeria. What is happening in Nigeria? You go to her channel, you will see it. Rejoice Screen is monitoring my channel with a loop. Rejoice Screen watches my video from A to Z. And the slightest phone, she comments on the slightest thing that she notices. She has the highest comments in my channel. She comments about the slightest thing that the kid has said, the slightest phone that she has noticed. In fact, Rejoice Screen is in my channel. It's like she's on my channel waiting. What is going on? What is here? What is there? She's always in my channel. Thank you, Rejoice Screen. Thank you for that. It really, really melts my heart. And I hope I inspire you. And I hope I don't fail you in my content. Is Belinda Young. Belinda Young is always in my channel, checking out my recipes, checking out my content. Thank you so much, sis. Belinda Young too has a YouTube channel, and she has her family dancing, fun dancing there. Her kids and her husband, they are dancing there. You want to check out Belinda Young. The next person in this channel is Virginia Nyancho. Virginia Nyancho alias Mani is a mentor. Virginia Nyancho has inspired me in so many ways. When I post something here, she's already there to watch, to comment. I really, really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Virginia Nyancho. I know that there are a lot of people out there checking out my content. The only way I can know that you came and visited my home is when you leave a comment. YouTube doesn't really let us know who likes. Sometimes the only way I can know that you are there is when you leave a comment. And when you leave a comment, that is how I know that you are following up closely. The next person on this list is Malice Manda. Give a clap to Malice. She's a wonderful lady. She's an amazing person to know. She's not a YouTuber. She is just someone who comes to YouTube to check my channel. Guess what, guys? When I release any video, she's right there. I see her. I see you, Malice, watching my videos, getting inspired. I really appreciate your consistency. Thank you so much, Malice. I really appreciate it. That's the reason why I'm doing all this content. Young Chanceline is the next person. Young Chanceline is the next person here. She's enjoying my content, commenting on this content, following up this content, and getting inspired. Thank you so much, Young Chanceline. I cannot thank you more, because I cannot thank you enough for the support and the follow-up and the inspiration you get. I thank you so much. I hope I continue to inspire and impact you. Thank you so much. I celebrate you. The next person in this channel is Ladies Corner with Miss Law. Ladies Corner with Miss Law. Actually, I didn't even know who this was. When I was doing this list, guess what? I realized that there was someone in my channel following up my videos at a very close loop, and she was Ladies Corner with Miss Law. She is a Cambe woman residing in Cameroon. She is a YouTuber. If you want, actually now, if you want to see Douala, what is happening in Douala, what is happening in Marché Bonamoussadi, what is happening in Yaoundé, what is even happening in Cambe, go to Ladies Corner with Miss Law. Is a place for those of you who are in the diaspora. You want to have a close look at Cameroon. Go to Ladies Corner. That Ladies Corner was all over my channel, following my channel, giving insights to my videos, and be getting inspired, liking them. Really, thank you so much, Ladies Corner. I appreciate you. The next person here is DM Vlog Live TV. This woman inspires me. It's not like she is a small YouTuber. I don't even know where she gets time to come to my channel. She is a big YouTuber with over 24,000 subscribers and many views. She even has 2 channels. She's on my channel, being inspired, liking my channel, liking my content. Thank you so much, DM Vlog Live TV. I appreciate it. And she shares. She's a YouTuber and teaches you how to make money from home. I guess she's a rich woman too, huh? Wow. And she has time to come to my channel. Thank you so much, DMV Vlog. She vlogs on her family, how a Texas family in the US, how they do in their family. She also has another YouTube channel on discovering natural beauty. I'm a natural person. I'm in love with her channel because I'm a natural person, how to take care of natural hair, how to be natural the way God created you. And thank you so much, DM Vlog. The next person that I'm going to give shout out to, Simply Joyce. Shout out to you, Simply Joyce. Simply Joyce too, I found out that she was all over my channel. She was there watching my videos, commenting on my videos, liking them, getting inspired. Thank you so much, Simply Joyce. She also has a YouTube channel and she talks about family, marriage. I also noticed her for that. She talks about family, marriage, cooking. She lives in Europe, is a mother of two. If you want to see the life of a mother of two in Europe, how she gets up in the morning, takes care of her kids, takes them to school, goes shopping, lives with her family and her husband, check out Simply Joyce. The next person here is Bukola Ori. She is a YouTuber. Thank you, Bukola Ori, for supporting me and following up my content and getting inspired. Thank you so much. You might want to check out Bukola, I hope I'm calling your names right, I'm sorry, Bukola Ori's channel for inspirational advice and encouragement. Cooking with Judy Cardwell. Thank you so much, Cooking with Judy Cardwell. I notice how you support my channel. You are on my videos, watching them, getting inspired. I am humbled that you are in my channel. And what inspires me in her cooking channel is that she cooks dishes from various, you want to see Louisiana crayfish, you want to see southern squash, you want to see Swedish balls. It's like she's cooking meals from each culture. Go to her channel and check it out. The next one is Esther's Corner. She watches my video. When she watches my video, she makes me know that she has watched my video. She will leave a paragraph of comment. Thank you so much, Miss Esther. I am glad I could be an inspiration to you. I am glad that my content could make sense to you. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Esther Corner also has a channel, how to cook, cooking channel, and she does amazing stuff too in her channel. She cooks okra, my favorite. Actually, she made a hand scrub, homemade hand scrub, and that her hand scrub, I feel like eating it up because it's a yummy hand scrub. You might scrub your hands and you don't want to wash your hands because it's so yummy. And now the last person in my channel is Bettino Laguo. Bettino Laguo, actually, I'm shouting out to Bettino Laguo because he's my family and he is on my YouTube page. Do you guess what, people from your family, they just say, hey, I saw you. They can either just call you, hey, I saw your content. That was good. That was nice. I like it. But they will not go to your YouTube channel to comment. They'll just call you or text you, oh, I saw that. That is good. Text you, send you text messages or come around and talk to you about it. But they will not go to the channel. That's how my family does. But Bettino Laguo is the family that goes to my channel and writes comments and comments on my channel, and he will still talk to me. He will still go to my channel and text. Thank you so much, Laguo Kamkaya Bettino. When you watch my channel, please let me know that you like my content. Give it a thumbs up. Write something down that I know that you are there. And everybody whose name has been shouted out today, please let me know that you have seen your name. I want to know that this has reached to you. Please let me know at the bottom that you heard your name, and please let me know that you are watching my video, because as my milestone increase, I'll come around to do shout out. So if you are one of those who watch my videos and you go back quietly, let me know. And you are one of those who just watch and you don't do anything, you don't subscribe, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching, and see you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you also want me to shout out your name, if you also think that I omitted your name, I have said that this was for everybody. I'm shouting out to my 320 subscribers. I cannot call. And stay tuned, guys. Bye. See you.